Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this Beoble chat video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get the first mover advantage of actually getting yourself set up. So you will need a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet or whatever you have. Then you need to check out the description of this video because I only have 5 invites, so it's first mover advantage. What you need to do is you need to connect it, and I'm going to show you the actual process. So the code will be below this video and on the first comment below. If you want to trade the coin, you can trade it on 𝐂𝐫𝐞𝐞. I have a link below and it's special for all of my subscribers, so make sure you use those links. Now I'm going to just talk about the actual chat function of the website and a few details about the tokenomics. So first thing I'm going to show you is how you can actually claim tokens on this website. So you will need the invitation link or code below this video. When you are connecting, the first thing is you need to connect your wallet. Second thing is when they ask for your invite code, you need to use the code in the description. So when you set up your account, I'm going to show you how you can claim some free tokens inside the app itself. So you click this button below here, and the first thing you will need to do is you can claim all chat room earnings. So you get for sending 30 messages, follow one account, react to 15 messages from others, daily good morning, and they have several other things. So if you're active on the app itself, you will get some extra coins. So sending 30 messages, following an account. You can follow me because when you actually add me or in the invitation, I will have a chat room set up for all of you. So I'm going to create the channel now and I'm going to show you a bit about what it is. So you can create groups and you can create a channel. I've created a channel and I will message it when you actually join the website. So you can go on top here, create new message, new group chat, create channel. But when you actually do some of these tasks below here, you can actually go in and claim them. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to daily good morning claim, and I followed a few accounts. So how can you actually claim those? Click on top here, click on claimed, and click on claimed. So if you do this every single day, say good GM in the comments of the general chat, you will actually earn coins. So that's quite. And successful referrals, so you get 20 points for every referral. I have 5 invite codes. So if you want to join, you can do it with my code. And you can also contact me on this chat function here and I will answer. I have so many messages coming my way that I'm not able to actually message every single person out there that messages me. So if you are the first 5 people, you can get in direct contact with me, okay? So that's usually a $24.99 a month function, but you can do it here. The first 5 people, it's 100% free. So now I'm going to talk a bit about the tokenomics. So I suggest everybody out there read the white paper and check out the websites and the coins itself. Okay, it's on the Ethereum. So one thing you can do is you can click on this below here, Chain Explorers. This is something I usually do because this is a function you can actually track how many holders there are and how many transfers there are, and you can read a bit about the actual token itself here. So trading the coin, I suggest using 𝐂𝐶. But this is not financial advice in any way. Do it on your own research, but I suggest doing spot trading if you are going to trade at all, okay? If you're new and start out with future trading, I will almost 80% chance you will lose your money. If you gain money, you will probably gain and then lose it all again. So I suggest starting out with spot exchange and getting knowledge about order flow, buy, sell orders, how coins actually go up and down in price, and support and resistance lines. Those are usually the only things I use when I check out the coin. So the coin itself has gone up in price last day alone 320%. And I will have a link to the white paper below this video too. And I will also have a link to their actual app website. You can check out the Beoble.io website. So you can launch app and this will launch the actual app itself. You can read a bit about it here, but this is just a front end website. So the actual website you need is the Beoble.app. And here you can get a lot of extra points for using the app. So if you just say hi and follow a few people and send a few messages, hello. I created a group for Norwegian people here called Norway, and yeah, it's quite cool actually to see how insane a lot of messages there are in this group chat here. So my name here is 𝐁𝐞𝐬 or 𝐁𝐞𝐬. You can just search for that. If you find that all of the invite codes are used and you want to find a new invite code, I can try to get more invite codes. But for the first 5 people, you will get some great benefits and free tokens when you use this, okay? So now for the tokenomics of this website. So we are going to go into the actual white paper and I'm going to feature some of the FAQs here. So you can read a bit about this here. I will not go in details about that. What we want is the actual coin itself. So decentralized overview, architecture, features. So how many coins are there? There is 1 billion coins. I think this is. So that's quite cool. Or is it 1,000 million? I think whatever. 1 billion. Fully diluted market cap is $211,000. And last day alone, look at this volume here. Okay. Look at how insane this volume has increased. Look at this. This is the volume increase. I've never seen anything like this. So 100% free. You can get some free tokens with the airdrop. I hope you like these type of short videos I create. And BBL coin on Beoble is a new coin. You can trade it on MEXC. This is not financial advice. I just wanted to create something of high value to all of you out there. And if you want to direct contact me, you can be one of the 5 first people on that chat app. So I hope you like this Beoble airdrop video so you can get some extra coins. So if you get 10 coins, that's $2. So you will at least get $5 100% for free by using my invite code. So I hope you all have a great day. Make sure you check out some of the other programs I have below this video. If you want to contact me, use that app. Have a great day. Take care.